Hello, everyone. Thanks so much for joining me today. My name is Lydia, and this is Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. Today, I want to spend some time with you, sharing some simple lifestyle changes that you can make to help you have a better sleep at night. This is a channel where we educate ourselves on common health problems. So if you're new to this channel and you want to learn more about your health, then please hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss anything that I upload. Sleep is the body's way of achieving rest and restoration. Sleep affects your mental and physical well-being. Good sleep only leads to positive results like improved concentration and productivity. It helps you lose weight and lowers your risk of developing type 2 diabetes and stroke. It also improves your immune function and provides a better memory retention. It provides you also with a healthier emotional well-being. Most of us need 8 hours quality sleep. Some people need more and some people need less. You can get grumpy, lack focus, and feel tired the next day if you do not get enough sleep. And regular poor sleep can put you at risk of serious medical conditions like obesity, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. And this can shorten your life expectancy. A good night's sleep is good. And today I want to share with you some lifestyle changes that you can make to help you get a good night's sleep. So make your room comfortable, not too hot and not too cold. A temperature of between 18 to 24 degrees Celsius or 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit is suitable. Your room has to be quiet and well ventilated. It should be a place reserved for sleep only. Make sure your mattress and pillow are both comfortable to sleep on. Your room should be dark enough. Use thicker curtains. The sleep-wake cycle is regulated by a hormone called melatonin, and this hormone circulates in the body. When it is dark, your brain secretes more of this hormone and it increases your chance of falling asleep. So remember not to take your phone to bed, and do not put the light on in the middle of the night if you need to use the bathroom. And do not go to bed immediately after watching TV or just after working on the computer, because the light emitted can prevent this hormone from being secreted, and this can make you lie down for a long time before you fall asleep. Get some regular exercise like swimming or walking. This makes your body tired and it helps you manage stress and anxiety as well. Even though exercise is good, avoid doing it 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. There is a reason for this, and the reason is exercise causes the release of endorphins. Endorphins can make you stay alert. Also, exercise can increase your body temperature, and this temperature would have to be regulated by your body. This temperature has to come down for you to drift off to sleep. Avoid the intake of caffeine-containing drinks like tea and coffee in the evening. Instead, drink warm milk or caffeine-free herbal tea. Smoking is also not good, as nicotine is a stimulant. Also, avoid excessive intake of alcohol. Alcohol can help you fall asleep, but then in the middle of the night, you would realize that you would wake up, and this is because alcohol prevents you from falling into deep sleep. And try not to eat too late at night. Have your evening meal as early as you can. Do not drink too much fluid as well in the evening, as this can make you wake up sooner. You can spend some time also relaxing or winding down before you go to bed. Take a warm bath. Avoid a cold or very hot bath. Read a book or listen to music. Write a to-do list for yourself that you will tackle the next day. This helps you clear your mind. and carry out some deep breaths to relax the muscles and put your smartphone away as well. Keep a regular pattern of going to bed and rising at the same time every day, including weekends. This will program your body to sleep better. Work out a good time for yourself based on what time you want to wake up every day. Keep a notepad by your bedside. So if you start worrying about anything, you just write it down and deal with it the next day. If you lie down to sleep and you still cannot sleep, do not stay in bed and worry. Get up and do something you find relaxing, like reading a book, listening to quiet music, and after some time, you would realize that you feel tired enough to go to bed. If sleeplessness is becoming intolerable and it's affecting your daily life, then make an appointment with your doctor. I'm sure there are medicines that the doctor can prescribe for you, or they can even refer you to someone who would be able to take care of you. I hope you have learned something new today. If you have, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with family and friends. Also, put your comments, your suggestions in the comment section. If there is a topic you want me to talk about, then put it in the comment section. Remember to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell as well so you don't miss anything that I upload. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.